I don't know if I'm just hungry or what. Oh my god, y'all, oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm so like excited. The reason why I am so excited because y'all already know I done tried Egusi from different places, especially here in Atlanta, and they don't be hitting on nothing. And this place actually have flavor. And y'all know I never get meat, huh? The meat, oh my god. It's so good. I should have got a napkin. This place was only 15 minutes from my house. Am I too close? Excuse the back cleaning, y'all. I'm literally sitting wherever I can. I ain't feel like doing no setup. Actually really flavorful, like, oh my gosh. Oh my god, that piece right there was just so good. I'm definitely going back to this restaurant. It's called Mayo. If you're in Atlanta, it's called Mayo Restaurant and Grill. And they pretty much sell everything. They sell American food, African food. I want to go back and try their snapper. The onions. You need the onions for more flavor. They got breakfast. They got literally whatever you want. And I'm never really for the meat, but this meat is hitting. And I honestly don't know when y'all gonna see this video because I'm kind of trying to upload around what I really want to upload. Like hair videos, wig videos, because I get so many wig brand deals from different brands, and that's kind of my niche and how I started. Let's see if I stick to my typical, I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all want to see, really. If y'all, oh my god, I don't like no fat. If y'all want to continue to see mukbang, let me know down in the comment. But until then, I'm gonna be uploading the wig video. I haven't even uploaded no vlog, none of that. The meat is really good. I don't know what part of the lamb, but he asked me did I want goat, and I asked him was it the same. He said no. So this more tastes like from the lamb chop part. Maybe it is. And the goat is other places, other parts. I ain't doing that. I think the meat, without the meat, it wouldn't be nothing. And that's meat. It wouldn't be nothing. This place was very much reasonable. Even though it was like $27, and you get a drink. That's a plus in my book. So yeah, I slick want to put some hot sauce on this, but he gave me some stuff. He said it's spicy. It's peppers, gotta be. But yeah, I want to try the snapper. I definitely want to get the Egusi soup again and try the oxtail. But they also got lamb soup, so I might want to try that. I'm scared to eat the pepper, but I feel like I need a little kick. Ooh, ooh, that must smell spicy. Let me see. I'm trying to eat nothing that's gonna take me out. Oh. Okay, it's a good spice though. I just can't eat it. I need to know what I'm eating. But it's really good. I'm gonna get full, especially from this meat. I really enjoy talking on my own channel. So with my hair videos, I just feel like it be self-explanatory. Like, you can just watch the videos. You don't really have to go in details of what you're doing because we can see what you're doing. I don't know about it. So I don't be like talking as much on the hair video. But whew, I'm full. I wanted to get something to drink, but it's gonna make me full. Who cares? Pretty good. I was not expecting this to be good, but the man kept saying everybody like it, everybody get it. I'm like, okay, okay. Ooh, ooh. And spice, baby. It's fat. I can't eat that. Oh, heck no. See, the meat is really good. Like I said, this wouldn't be nothing without the meat at all. How have y'all been? I literally haven't did a mukbang. This is probably my first mukbang of 2024. Literally. I've been posting shorts. As y'all see, I'm posting shorts of the I've been on my dill pickle scavenger hunt. If you know me, you know I love anything dill pickle, anything salt and vinegar. I used to eat salt and vinegar with everything, literally. Not salt and vinegar, I used to eat vinegar with everything. I used to eat chips, greens, turnip green, collard greens. When I say everything, I used to dip my vinegar in everything. My sunflower seeds, I used to pour vinegar in my sunflower seeds. They need to make salt and vinegar. They got dill pickle everything. Like, make sunflower seeds. Dill pickle. I mean, salt and vinegar. They have dill pickle and salt and vinegar popcorn. But they need to make... Ooh. But they have dill pickle and literally everything. Dill pickle hot sauce. I got like 3 jars. Ones. I got some dill pickle seasoning. Might put him in his cage if he come out trying to bed. Dill pickle seasoning. I got dill pickle beets or whatever, and I heard beets are really good for you if you have like low iron, which I do. So that's good for me. This is pretty good. It's hot though, but damn. Alright, give me a napkin.